Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you where and how to replace a blow motor resistor on a 2011 Ford F-150. It's located on the passenger side, up underneath the glove box. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. 7mm socket, and there is 3 trim bolts or screws down here. I'm going to take all 3 out. I like to do this and leave the glove box latched, so that way I don't have to hold on to everything, balance it. Now I can hold on to this and do the latch and just slide the glove box out at an angle. Now there's 2 plastic clips here that hold this felt liner up. I'm going to take those out with a body clip. Let's see if I get the other one. Bit stubborn. I always find surprises under people's glove boxes. And I'll just move this out of the way so we can work better. Blow motor resistor is located right here behind the glove box and accessed through the kick panel on the passenger side. So there's 2 mounting bolts and they're both an 8mm socket. Break them free. The one in the front and the one in the back here. It is a tight fit, just gotta have some little patience. Place that down, and now we get the back one to go. I switched it up to a ratchet wrench because the handle on the ratchet was hitting. All right, now I'm gonna pull the resistor out before I disconnect it so I can really see the connector. So now there's the connector. There's a little clip in there. There we go. So this is a blow motor resistor. Very important on any blow motor resistor. All across the board are notorious for melted prongs or heated connector melting. So a failure rate on these, if you can see, sometimes there's a little speck of rust here. These get corroded. This is still factory one by the looks. Here we have the new blow motor resistor from 1A Auto, and the factory one I just took out. You can see they're identical. They both have a seal, the styrofoam seal-like connectors, lock clips. These are basically circuit boards dipped in a rubberized coating. If you need this product or any other product for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm just going to reverse procedure. I'm going to line up that keyway, snap, click, bring it down, put it in the heater box, line up that. There is only one way it can go due to the, see that hole? It's a guided hole. There's a pin here and a pin there. So make sure it sits in there flat. Then you reinstall the mounting screws. And it's just a matter of bottoming out. You don't want it loose. It is plastic, so you don't have to really rank on it. You'll feel it stop. And there you go, firmly in place. So when you put the felt panel back up, You'll see this guided slot, and there's a stud that sticks out from the back. And just that's for that to go right in there like that. And now we have the body clips. Push those up into the mounting spots. Grab our glove box. So to install it, I just go at an angle, put those ears in there. That's the door that stops. And I line up the latch, snap that. Now I've got my 3 mounting screws, and I'll put those in on the bottom. This is the 7mm socket. Get the center one and the right side, then the left. Now, if you have any problems with the felt, that's a metal tab. You can always bend that back for a better visual effect. Here we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.